What's up YouTube, SalvoG here, and welcome back to another Led Zeppelin reaction video. Today we have Fool in the Rain, third song on the first side of In Through the Outdoor. Now, looking at this song, it was the last single they released before they disbanded. Reached number 21 on the Billboard Hot 100, inspired by a samba beat they heard during the 1978 FIFA World Cup. That's very cool. While this album wasn't regarded the same as their other albums, a lot of people really liked it, saying it's a standout track. Zesty Latin samba instrumental break, cool. Never performed live. Okay. Well, this one should be good, guys. Rock and samba. Okay. Well, nice 6 minute and 10-second song. We're gonna get right into this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. We listen to Led Zeppelin every day. We have since February, I think. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also leave a like and a comment, you guys. Leaving a like is so important. It helps people discover my channel. So please do that before the video starts. But let's go ahead and check this one out and see what we have here. Here we go. Wow. Oh. That is contagious. That's lovely. You can't say it's not. That's so catchy. This sounds like it could be the intro from an 80s or an early late 70s or like early 80s sitcom. Just and the family walks in, they're like just so catchy. How is this not performed live? Ooh. The whistle! Holy. This is so good. that was massive. It almost makes you wonder, whoa, something crazy was about. Is that a saxophone? It almost makes you wonder, like, if they were together for a little bit longer, what other sounds and things could have inspired them to make such interesting and dynamic music such as this. This is truly incredible. What is that? I'm gonna be listening to this all summer long. They made this and they weren't even technically on the greatest of terms. You know, some of them were going into the studio at one time, the others were going into the studio later on, and they made this. They made this. This was insanely good. So different from what I've heard so far. Really, like, actually so different. Samba. I need to listen to some more samba. What a rock-infused samba masterpiece. What do you guys think of this song down below? Let me know. I have to know. I have to know. This was so sick. Truly incredible. This album, In the Evening, top notch. Southbound Saurus, really, really good. Fool in the Rain. This deserves to be like in its own category. It's such an excellence, I feel like. I am truly impressed by this. How can you not be? I'm gonna be cruising with that. That's so sick. Yeah, again, please let me know what you guys think of this down below, and make sure you leave a like on the way out. Thank you so much for watching this and listening to this with me. And yeah, just wow, blown away again. Tomorrow we will be listening to Hot Dog. Alrighty, 3 minutes and 15 seconds before we get into the 10 minutes and 28 second song. I'm gonna have to look at the pronunciation of that before I get to it. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.